Hello everyone, I'm Fish.
Guten Tag, I'm poetic.
Stealing my stick, are you? Fine.
What's up, man? We're just chilling here. We're about to have another. We're doing another review for the 50 to 80 Mermaid. This one is No Regrets.
Not even one.
No Regrets, and it's cranberry, hibiscus, cherry, and orange. This one we added rum for this one.
To give you an idea about that comment, look at the spelling. I don't know if you can see it.
It does say No Regrets, but No Regrets.
About the movie. Anyways, and what did you mix this with?
Flavorful rum, I believe. Rum. We're gonna try this.
So, let's see about this.
Mason glass. Drink.
Other mason glass. Pour.
Drink, pour. Mason glass. Drink.
I don't know why I keep sniffing. You're the one with the nose. Smell. As he looks suspiciously at it.
I smell the cranberry.
I smell jar.
I smell cherry and orange. Hold on, y'all. No.
Guys, keep this PG.
So, no, it smells really good.
Wait, no, by virtue of alcohol, it's not PG. Anyways.
No. So, it smells, you definitely smell the cranberry hibiscus.
So, let's go ahead and jump to the tasting.
This is like our third cup of...
Something...
Not cup.
It's only a shot.
Not even a shot. Honestly, it's very small.
It's just like a quarter shot.
It's just fun. And I haven't eaten today, minus the chips that we had into the last review. But here we go. Cheers.
Anywho, toast.
Ooh. So I like the flavor, but I don't like the sweetness. But that's because I'm not a sweets person, though.
You know what I'm mostly tasting the cranberries.
Okay.
And it reminds me of those canned cranberries that causes that nice little rigid.
You talking about the Thanksgiving cranberry?
The Thanksgiving cranberry can. I really enjoy those. Like, I know some people like, no, you have to get the real stuff, and other people like,
if you're gonna have Thanksgiving,
this is perfectly fine.
This is the proper way. Is the canned one is just
the canned one is perfectly fine. Sometimes being cheap is good.
Yeah, no, that's the one trend. That's the one like Thanksgiving like tradition that's needed.
It sparks the happy memories.
It does. It does.
It's great with turkey. No Regrets sparks the happy memories of when your family got along at Thanksgiving instead of killed each other.
So what would you rate this one? So he's a sweets fan. I'm not. So I personally would probably rate this.
It is sweet because of the cranberries. Yeah. And then of course you have the hibiscus, which is also typically sweet.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it. But that's, mind you guys, I might be a big dude, but I just don't like sweets like that. I'm not a sweets fan.
Us Germans, we like our sweet liqueurs and bitter beer.
But you guys have it like, it's just, I don't know. This is like, for me, it's overly sweet. Now, I have a lot of people who love sweet. Like, they love sweet. And this one, if you're someone who really loves sweet, you'll like it. For me, personally, I'd probably go with like a 6.5. Let me be honest. Now, mind you, doesn't mean it's not delicious. It is good. It's just something that, for me, I would be like a shot worth, and that's it. It's too sweet for me. But you can taste the cranberry, the nice tartness from it. You can taste, a little bit of citrusy from the orange. You can smell it more than anything. But it smells sweet too. For me, it's too much. Too much sweet for me.
I think this is a solid 7.5. Like, it's not my favorite, but it is joy bringing.
Yeah.
Now, to me, I think this is one that I would need watered down, so to say, with some sort of mixer.
Mind you, this has been
rather than straight.
They recommend 3 to 5 days, and we've had it for like a week and some change. Just
I think that's fine. I feel like this needs a
little more
mixer infused to mixer like seltzer, lemon, lime soda, lemonade, or some Pinot Grigio, whatever.
San Pellegrino. That's
Yeah,
the
whatever
one.
that is.
So I can
Delicious
see
with
that makes sense.
Cranberry and prosecco topped with seltzer and lemon.
Yeah,
Parmesan.
so that would probably cut
this
down
one
the
isn't
sweet.
designed for straight like some of the other ones.
Yeah.
And I could definitely see that, like a
See,
lemon lime soda
Yeah,
with that would
that
cut.
would. Yeah, by a lot.
But I really like the
Ooh, prosecco.
the sweetness.
I'm a bougie bitch. No, I can see with lemon lime soda, a lemonade. You know, so I can see where it cuts down because it's sparkling. So that would actually, at that point, just trying to picture it in like ghost taste, I guess you could say. I could say I probably would raise this up to like an 8.5, give or take, easily, just
Ghost
because
taste.
I feel like it would actually like
Yeah,
make it better.
It's really interesting flavor. I really like it. Thank you for listening to our rambling. And as always, keep on wandering.
See you. I see you.